Interactive video is video that lets the viewer act directly inside the player. It transforms a passive viewing session into an active, participatory experience. A viewer can click, tap, choose a path, or answer a question while the video plays. These actions directly influence what happens next, reveal hidden information, and personalize the content. This is a fundamental departure from traditional, linear video, which plays the same sequence for everyone. With interactive video, each viewer can carve a unique path, making their journey distinct and engagement deeper. It shifts the user from spectator to active participant. This shift engages the brain differently. When asked to make choices, our attention sharpens. We are not just consuming information, we are processing it to decide. Active participation improves retention and clarifies complex ideas. It shortens the path to action and adds replay value. The world of interactive video is diverse, with distinct formats for different goals. First, the branching narrative. Key moments pause and present options. Each choice leads to unique scenes and endings. Powerful for soft skills training. Practice decisions safely. It shines in entertainment and playful campaigns too. Second, clickable hotspots and overlays. Click or hover to reveal context, show a still, open a link, or play a short clip. Great for demos. Tag features with info boxes and to add definitions, chapters, and resources. Often the simplest form to produce. Third, learning and assessment. Quizzes and checks in line. Get feedback, rewatch, or proceed. LMSs track progress and certify skills. Fourth, shoppable, tag items, and buy inside the player. Show context and shorten the path to purchase. Across industries, interactivity is a game changer. Simulate real-world choices for corporate training. Develop leadership, negotiation, and service skills. Practice decisions and see immediate consequences, safely. Quizzes convert passive content into active learning, boosting retention and real-world outcomes. In e-commerce, it translates directly to sales. Hotspots enable deep dive tours without leaving the video. That engagement yields rich analytics. In entertainment, interactivity opens a new frontier. Control and personalization drive rewatch and time on content. Live events add timed polls, Q&A, and calls to action, building connection and community. For marketers, it is an analytics powerhouse. Choices signal interest and intent beyond views. Capture contacts at peak engagement for higher quality leads. Getting started does not require a Hollywood budget or a dev team. YouTube end screens and cards add links and branching at timestamps. Make basic branches. No special software. Experiment cheaply with a low learning curve. For more features, use education-ready tools like H5P or Storyline. Designed for non-technical users with drag and drop. Import your video and place interactions precisely. Export to HTML5, integrate SCORM X API for detailed tracking. Commerce tools tag products and connect to checkout. Track CTR, add to cart, and revenue to prove ROI. For ultimate control, build custom with JS, HTML, CSS, and timed metadata. VTT queues can trigger overlays and choices in sync. Custom builds offer freedom, best for unique, large-scale projects. Audiences respond to agency. The model respects their intelligence. To create effective interactive video, follow core UX rules. Every interaction must have a clear purpose. Avoid confusion about why to click and what happens next. Use clear language and visual cues to signal interaction. Do not add interactions for their own sake. Serve learning, story, or personalization. Keep branching shallow but meaningful. Too many branches overwhelm teams and viewers. Prefer a few key decisions with distinct outcomes. Sprawling trees cause fatigue and dilute impact. Always provide a default path so playback continues if no choice is made. Serve both passive and active viewers. Make interactions discoverable with consistent visual indicators. Instrument analytics from day one. Choices, drop-offs, completion by path. Use data to iterate and align with learning or business goals. Creative rule. Explain the consequence, then present the buttons. Accessibility is not an optional add-on. It is a fundamental requirement in interactive design. Combining time-based media with UI creates unique challenges. Skipping accessibility excludes users and risks compliance. Success means usability for everyone. Provide accurate synchronized captions for all speech. Add an audio description track for key visual information. Ensure full keyboard access. Tab, Enter, logical focus order, visible focus. Users must fully participate without a mouse. Provide enough time and options to adjust or disable timers. Explain, then show. First the consequence, then the choices. Checklist. One goal per interaction. Pick the simplest type. Provide a default path. Make interactivity obvious. Add analytics. Verify captions, audio description, keyboard access, and adjustable timing. Start simple. Test with real users, and only add complexity when it improves the experience.